I rise on a point of personal and collective privilege matapos ako tawagin ni Executive Ralph Recto na baliw. Kung baliw man ako, at least hindi ako magnanakaw. Tila affected si Recto sa mga post ko tungkol sa kanya at si Congressman Edwin Garjola.
Regarding the issues raised by my fellow representative from Batangas on the alleged issues that were narrated. First, while this representation recognizes the importance of legislative oversight, I believe that it is equally important that information shared in this plenary is accurately based on facts, not assumptions, not insinuations, and certainly not on incomplete information. Hindi po dapat ginagamit ang plenaryong ito upang lahad na mga haka-haka o paratang na walang sapat na basehan. On the alleged ties between Congressman Edwin Gadiola and Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, their association is purely professional, as Congressman Gadiola is also a member of the House of Representatives and a fellow Batangueño. There are no personal interests involved, but only a shared commitment to fulfill their duties to their constituents. Walang katotohanan ang mga alegasyon ni Congressman Leviste na mayroon silang may mga maanomalyang transaksyon. Fake news po yan, Mr. Speaker.